Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a video from TikTok. Sometimes we have to delete it because at a time we thought it was very good, but later on we found not so very good. So for that purpose, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos and keep supporting us. Okay, to delete a video, first go to the TikTok app. Let's go and opening TikTok app. So you have landed this page, specifically this interface of the TikTok. Just go to the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone, and okay, you can see all your videos which you have posted. Now choose the one you need to delete, and I'll be deleting the video with 19 views only. So let's go there. And now to delete it, on the bottom right corner of your phone above the playing disc, you can see the three dotted icon over here. So just tap there and you will be taken to this interface, and at the most bottom of your phone you can see this analytics, save video, pin options. Just scroll them down to the most end, and like this I will slowly, and you can see the delete button. Just hit there and delete, and done. Your video has been deleted from your account. And guys, deleting a video is this easy from TikTok. And if you have any comments or question regarding this topic, don't hesitate to comment down in the comment section below. And peace, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.